And we are approaching the spring season, and that means it is time to start spring cleaning everything, including your car. We'll give you a checklist of what you want to do coming up. Good morning, Arizona. So we have our masks on because you know what? We get dirty out there, and it's time to do some spring cleaning. And so I have Howard Fleischmann with me from Community Tire Pros. And Howard, you know, when I came out here and saw you with a little mask on, I thought, uh-oh.
Another weirdo.
What are we doing again? What's happening now? But we're talking about our air filters, and it is time to give them a little love and attention.
You bet. You're leaving winter, or at least I thought I was till I had heard the report this morning. But leaving winter, going into summer, it's time to make sure you take care of those things like air filters.
Show me this display you have here. This kind of tells us how
this is a quick display, shows how much harder an engine has to work and or an air conditioner, because you have filters inside the car too. So this is a good filter. You can see how it's flowing. You can feel the air.
Feels good? Uh-oh, what happens with changing out? This
There's
is
a dirty filter.
How old would, that's dramatic.
That's 12 months.
Okay.
Okay, which is when they recommend you replacing them. Arizona's a little different. You've got a lot of moisture here in this time of the year.
A lot of dust,
You've
a lot
got
of
a
pollen.
lot of dust, a lot of pollen. And inside the car, when you're talking about cabin filters, if you're allergic, this is a must.
Okay.
Because if you don't stay on top of that, you're going to keep breathing the stuff from outside. And these are things you can do at home by yourself.
Okay, so Howard promised me that this was easy to do.
Absolutely.
Are you going to show me?
You betcha. I did take the time to disconnect things this morning.
Okay.
But this vehicle has 4 screws. You pop the top off.
Okay.
And there's your filter.
Okay.
Now mine's just been replaced. Of course, I live on a dirt road.
Ah,
okay.
Look at
so
that.
this has been replaced maybe 2 weeks ago.
And a little feather for good luck.
Yeah.
Some little bird got caught up in your filter there.
But it's that easy. Now the other thing I was going to try and do today. Oh, look at you.
Oh, I'm very handy.
The other thing I was going to try to do today was replace the cabin filter.
Okay.
But many of them are real simple.
Where is that located?
It's right behind the glove box, and on this vehicle you have to take the glove box completely out to get to it.
So this is something for a professional, likely.
Well, I think so.
How do we know if our cabin filter's
It depends.
gone
If your
wrong?
wife's in doing spring cleaning, you may want to go to the garage and take her with the car for an hour.
Yeah, no doubt. Get out of the way.
Smell.
Okay.
As the moisture starts to grow and you start getting things like this inside, you're going to start smelling the mildew, so on and so forth. It's not good for you.
Okay.
Fuel filters. Average vehicle should probably have a new fuel filter every 20,000 miles. One of the reasons is they enhance our gas in the winter with a very corrosive additive, which really dirties the filters up.
Okay.
I brought these. I was going to have you blow in one of them and then the other to get the difference, but it still tastes like gas, so I'm not going to ask you to do that. But this one's brand new, and it just blows smooth.
Okay.
The other one, you can't blow through it.
Huh, wow.
So 20,000 miles on fuel filters. If your car's having a hard time starting in the morning, it sometimes can be something as simple as an air filter. If your car is not accelerating properly, let's not look for the difficult stuff. It could be the easy stuff.
So the air filter, the cabin filter, the fuel filter. So it is filter spring clean time.
That's right.
If you don't feel like doing it, Howard will get it done for you at Community Tire Pros. Howard, thank you so much.
Any good shop out there.
We'll put our little mask back on. We'll be right back, Arizona. Stay with us.